The types of the matrices. Row matrices, that means a matrices which have only a one row. One row, that means the 1 cross n. N means the number of columns. Now another is the column matrix. A matrix is said to be a column matrix if it will be exist only a one column. That means n cross 1. That means the n means the number of row and 1 means one column. And zero or null matrices. All the members are 0. When all the members are 0 in this matrix is known as the null matrix. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is the 2 cross 2 null matrices. This is known as the 3 cross 3 null matrices. A square matrix. This is the most important topic in a square matrices. When the number of rows equal to number of columns is known as the square matrix. Such as A, B, C, D. 2 cross 2 matrices is a square matrices because here 2 number of rows and 2 number of columns. This is the first row, this is the second row, this is the first column, this is the second column. Now fifth one is a diagonal matrix. This is the most important topic. A matrix should be known as a matrix should be a square matrix and all the elements of the matrix except the diagonals are 0. Listen to me. Except the diagonals are 0 is known as the diagonal matrices. A, B, C are the diagonals and all other elements of this 0. This should be a square matrix. So the numerical 1, 3, 4 this is a diagonal and all the elements are 0. Now identity matrices. In our diagonal matrices all the diagonals are 1. All the diagonals are 1 is known as the identity matrix. 1 0 0 1 this is a 2 cross 2 identity matrix. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 this is the 3 cross 3 identity matrices. Now algebra of matrices. First the addition. Addition is the possible when the two or more than 2 matrices are a same order. Okay? That means same order. That here 2 cross 3 and 2. Another is B have it is also order 6. Is it order 6? Here B is 3 cross 1. You have to say that ma'am this is the order also 6. But it is not possible because here the 2 row and 3 column. Here the 3 row or 2 column. ठीक है तो हमेशा क्या होना चाहिए आपके लिए हमेशा रोज और कॉलम्स क्या होने चाहिए सेम होने चाहिए. लेट्स एग्जांपल A B C this is the A and this is a B. A B C D E F 1 2 3 5 6 7. Now I have always remember the one thing in the algebra of matrices or in addition or subtraction. Corresponding elements are subtract or add by the corresponding element. A plus 1, B plus 2, C plus 3, D plus 5, E plus 6 and F plus 7. And remember the one thing, in addition or subtraction, the order of the matrix of the resultant matrix never be changed. That means this is also 2 cross 3. Now, the most important thing, the multiplication of matrices. Now, for the multiplication of the matrices, always remember the one thing, A equal to Aij m cross n and B equal to Bij Bjk n cross P. The column of the first matrix always equal to the row of the second matrix. Always remember multiplication is possible of the two matrices when the column of the first matrix always equal to the row of the second matrix. Such an example, look here, it is the most important thing, so please be very careful.